Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Joy, and I'm excited to speak to you today about daily disposable contact lenses. In a world full of contact lens options, how do you decide which lens to choose? Although there are plenty of different contact lenses on the market, the best choice you can make is to wear a daily disposable contact lens for more reasons than one. A daily disposable contact lens is a lens that is manufactured for one-time use. Each lens comes in an individual package filled with saline solution, and after removal of the contact lens, it is thrown away. So why pick these over a 2-week or monthly contact lens that can be reused? Dailies are by far the healthiest option for your eyes, and here are 3 reasons why. 1, wearing a fresh lens each day prevents deposits, pollen, and pollutants from building up on the lens over time. 2, there is no need for a cleaning and storage regimen, and there is no question about what time frame to dispose of the lenses. You just throw them away after one use. And 3, when reusable lenses are not cleaned properly and are worn past their recommended time frame, which a lot of patients do, patients are more likely to run into issues. Preservatives in solution and deposits on lenses can cause inflammation in the eyes and exacerbate dry eye syndrome. Not only the healthiest option, dailies are the most convenient for patients who wear contact lenses occasionally and for patients who travel, eliminating the fuss of contact lens care that reusable lenses require. Although daily contact lenses are priced slightly higher than reusable lenses, patients save money on solution and can take advantage of company rebates on a supply of contact lenses. For the overall convenience and ocular health benefits, daily disposable lenses are well worth the price. Curious if you're a good candidate for daily disposable contact lenses? Contact your local eye care professional today.